Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your passive income with Skillshare, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Skillshare account if you haven't already. Visit the Skillshare website and click on the sign up button. Choose whether to sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once you're signed in, familiarize yourself with the platform. Navigate to the Teach tab at the top of the home page. Click on Start a Class to begin creating your course. Before you start recording, determine your niche or subject matter. Choose a topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Research existing classes to see what works and where you can fill gaps. Outline your course content, breaking it down into manageable sections. Plan for video lessons, supplementary materials, and quizzes. Invest in a quality microphone and camera for clear audio and video. Use screen recording software if your class involves software demonstrations. Schedule a time to record your lessons uninterrupted. While recording, speak clearly and maintain a steady pace. Keep your lessons engaging with visuals, examples, and personal anecdotes. Edit your videos for clarity and professionalism. Include captions and graphics to enhance understanding. Upload your videos to Skillshare, following their guidelines for file formats. Create a captivating class title and description to attract students. Set a class project that encourages students to engage and apply what they've learned. Promote your class on social media platforms to reach a larger audience. Consider creating a website or blog to funnel traffic to your Skillshare classes. Join Skillshare teacher communities to share experiences and gain insights. Monitor your class performance through Skillshare's analytics dashboard. Respond to student inquiries and feedback promptly to build a community. Keep your content updated and relevant to maintain interest. Explore ways to create additional courses to diversify your income streams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.